Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create transparent PNGs using Affinity. So you can either create a transparent PNG from scratch, or you can also use an existing photo. I'm going to use an existing photo, and this is just so I can demonstrate a more in-depth process. So now that I have the image loaded into Affinity, I'm going to select the proper layer, the background layer, and I'm going to choose the object selection tool. So I'm going to give it a few seconds to analyze the image and really properly detect the foreground, the background, and the objects in the image. But once that's done, as you can see, as I move my mouse around, it's going to show what it thinks are the objects. I can select the table right here, the shadows, or just the graffiti background. So let's say, for example, I want to remove the graffiti background. I'm just going to left click. It's going to select that object, and if I hit delete on my keyboard, as you can see, the background has changed and it is now this checkerboard texture. And that's how you know that this area is transparent. So let's say I'm going to remove the background entirely. I'm just going to give it a few more seconds to load. And I'm just going to click on new, select the subject, hit invert selection here in the retouching studio. Then I'm going to hit delete. So as you can see, now everything has a checkerboard background, and that means this is a transparent layer. So I'm going to go ahead and click on File and Export. And under Export, you want to make sure that PNG is selected. Other image formats like JPEG, for example, they don't support transparency. So just make sure that PNG is selected. And once that's done, you can double check the settings here, like the export resolution, the aspect ratio, etc. Here's the preview of the document. I'm going to go ahead and click on export. And I'm just going to export it to my desktop. Transparent PNG. So if we go ahead and go to our desktop, as you can see, here's our file. And even with the thumbnail does not show a background. It is completely transparent. If we open it up in something like Paint, we should be able to see that the background is transparent and it has been preserved. So that's pretty much it for this video. Again, you can also use things like photos or start from scratch. All you have to do is make sure that whatever area you want to be transparent has this checkerboard texture. So it's really quick and really easy. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.